Good morning, viewers. How are you today? Breaking news is back with you again. I'm Aprili Priscilla, and here's the full news. Flooding has hit several areas in Sumatra due to heavy rainfall over the past few days. Overflowing rivers have flooded thousands of houses and disrupted daily activities. According to temporary data, floods occurred in several cities and districts with water levels ranging from half a meter to 2 meters. Many residents were forced to evacuate to safer places such as emergency shelters, schools, and places of worship. Officials from the Regional Disaster Management Agency, along with local authorities, continue to evacuate residents, especially vulnerable groups such as children, the elderly, and pregnant women. They are also distributing aid, including food, clean water, and other basic supplies. The floods have not only submerged residential areas but also disrupted transportation and economic activities. Several main roads are reported to be impassable, making it difficult for people to travel and for goods to be delivered. The local government urged the residents to remain alert as heavy rain may continue in the coming days. People living in flood-prone areas are advised to evacuate immediately if water levels rise. At this time, rescue efforts and data collection are still ongoing. The government hopes that conditions will improve soon so that residents can return to their normal activities.